Maverick Indicators here. All right, so right off the open, we've already done a bunch of trading today. Maybe I've posted it already, maybe I haven't. But I want to show you guys the Maverick zones right here. So I'm actually only in one contract of Tesla. Yes, our indicators work on futures, options, crypto, stocks. Works on NinJATRADER and TradingView. And here we are at the open of Tesla. And if you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Beautiful moves on Tesla here. And we're heading into this level. But this level, this is the Maverick zones. It's not out yet. But the Maverick zones, what it's doing is it's grading how probable it is to create actual support or resistance. So right now, this has got a 33% chance of being resistance. Not very high, right? So meaning that this has a 70% chance of breaking through, or 67% chance of breaking through this level right here as we head into it. I have an A+ setup from my ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar. It's grading every single thing we're looking for from our indicators to take an A+ setup and saying, hey, you got an A+ setup, so why are we in this trade? I only took one contract. There was some kind of tweeting going on earlier, some social posts, and with certain things that are happening in the world. So I don't want to go like crazy heavy off the open. But why are we in this trade? Well, first things first, you got a bright green candle. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. This is 5-minute candles, folks. And bright green is your strongest upside candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. So imagine not just trading with red and green candles, but imagine actually trading with seeing the data underneath the hood. Tremendous selling data, tremendous buying data. Okay, it's not just price and direction. All right, beautiful. So that's the first thing. We got a green, bright green candle, green background. The bulls are in control. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. All 5 traders, these are algorithms, but think of these as traders. They all have a completely different style, and they're all voting across 6 time frames. And right now, they're all bullish on Tesla. Maverick Trender is pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top, it shows massive strength and momentum. Green line to the upside, red line obviously to the downside. All right, we're back to our A+ setup. You're getting the turn of the 5-minute candles, so I hold judgment there. But again, I'm only in one contract of Tesla. Normally, when you guys see me trade options, I'm in like at least 5 contracts. And if you don't trade options, that's okay. Here's what you need to know. Whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading options, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading crypto, whatever it is, all the same rules still apply. We want an A+ setup from our Maverick Radar, which is going through our entire checklist of things to look for to take a trade, okay? Now the Maverick zones is saying that, hey, this zone right here has a strength level of about 38%. So 38%, which means that 64% is saying like, you could pop right through. So we're going to see how well this resistance level holds, but it's looking like it's going to pop right through. And the Maverick zones kind of told us that story. It said, hey, you got a 32% chance of this thing holding. It's pretty weak. And look at it pop up. Again, I'm not going to make a ton of money on this because I'm only in one contract, but if I make a couple $100, that's pretty cool, right? On one contract, low risk. Okay. So again, why are we in this trade? Well, bright green candles. The Maverick AI Pro is coloring my candles to the buying data or the selling data, okay? Second thing, look at all these up confidence arrows, by the way. Oh, and prices above the blue line. We love to go long when prices above the blue line and short when prices below the blue line, and I could show you that all day long. My goodness. See, look, we just broke through that zone. Yep, 32% weak. So once we get past a certain point on it, it's going to just disappear. And we'll be on to the next level. Okay. Bulls are in control. Green background. You know who's in control. Uptrend label. Maverick trender pegged to the top. All 5 traders. Imagine being in a room, trading in a room with a bunch of other traders that all have a completely different style. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. And the Maverick, see, now you got your next level, 37% weak. So pretty interesting. So now if this said 98% strong, we might bounce off this thing, right? Now the Maverick radar is giving us a complete A+ setup. How many times have you got into a setup, you get into it, you take the trade, you get stopped out, you go back and you say, what was I thinking? Let the Maverick radar, the ultimate trading assistant, guide you and point out these A+ setups. Okay? Just super important. So whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading stocks, whatever it is, we can bring clarity to your charts just like this. A+ setup, bright green candles, just beautiful. And guys, I'm only at one little contract of Tesla and I'm up $200 now. I wish I would have been trading my normal 5. I'd be up 1,000. All right. Okay, cool. Listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, we would love to help you crush it. Not financial advice, do your own research, never any guarantees in the market, but come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.